replacing this old water pump with the new RecPro RV water pump. And this one, you can see it is leaking everywhere, so we shut off the water and it's leaking all the way to the other side. So this one needs to be replaced. On the other side of the old water pump, you can see the residue from where it's leaking, and it's leaking underneath here. First things first, we shut off the main water valve, and now I'm gonna disconnect the water hoses. This one is held down by only 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The wires are also anchored down by this one. Now let's go ahead and cut these wires. You have the red and you have the white. I'm also going to remove the strainer on this one, and it was tilted to the side, but it should be down. Instead of buying a new water pump with the strainer, I'm going to go ahead and use the old strainer and attach it to the new pump. It should be in a down position. Now let's go ahead and reattach everything. I'm not going to anchor the new pump yet because this floor is wet and we want to dry it out first. And before you reconnect the water lines, make sure that it has a little cone washer in here. This one right here. This is what the cone washer looks like if it's right in here. We got that side, and reconnect this side. On the wires, I'm going to connect the red to the red and the black to the white. Now that we have all our connections in place, we're going to go ahead and test it out. We have the inlet water line here, the outlet water line here, and our 12-volt connections. The pump button is on and you can hear it. This fresh water tank was empty, so now I'm filling it up, and then we'll test the RV pump with the water line.